Keeme Kabab. Welcome to my channel. Let's make delicious Keeme Kabab with easy recipe. First of all, we will take the keema and add the spices of the keema, add salt and mix it well. Add finely chopped chilies and onions. Mix well and leave it for some time. Kebabs will be made in round shape. Now we will take a pan, add oil in it and heat the oil for a while on medium flame. Now put them back in the pan to fry well. Press it a little so that the kebabs are cooked inside. Now we will change the side of the kebab. You will take out the kebab on a plate. Kebabs are cooked and ready, which is very delicious and taste delicious. Ready for eat delicious Keeme Kabab. Thanks for watching.